Hi, today I'm going to talk about how our spiritual values, or what we also call as sanskars, how they affect our health and well being. When we speak about health in general, no one really talks about how it is our personality and especially the virtues and vices, including our beliefs and perceptions about life that affect our overall well being. Everything in our external world is a reflection of our inner being. As above, so below. As within, so without. This is the first Kabbalistic law. We all know about the law of cause and effect, or better known as the law of karma. But even now, when there is an illness, very few people allow themselves to go deep into the primary cause of why the illness, the disease, or discomfort is there. We as a society are now more aware of the energy centers or chakras in the body. These centers are also portals into every aspect of our being. They affect us physically, mentally, emotionally, and karmically. When we understand them on a deeper level, they are basically portals of time and space within our being. Everything that we have experienced across all lifetimes, it all has an energetic imprint in these centers. And at different periods of our life, when certain centers get activated, that karma starts coming onto the surface. Each center also has an endocrine gland associated with it. And endocrine glands are directly affected by our emotional state, and our emotions are a result of our sanskars. Personality traits brought forward from past lives as well as conditionings of the present. That can be termed as virtues and vices, which in turn is a result of our perceptions, conditioning, and conscience. When these energy centers get congested, depleted, or blocked in some way, we experience illness or disease, as well as psychosomatic issues. For example, the Mooladhara or root chakra on a physical level deals with controlling the muscles, bones, cellular working of the body, etc. It also controls the adrenal glands. Whereas on a psychological level, it affects your sense of security and financial success, and also governs the first few years of your childhood. Likewise, different virtues and vices are attached to different chakras in the body. A virtue balances the chakra, whereas a vice creates an imbalance of the body, mind, and spirit.